Hello and welcome. We will be exploring step-by-step guide to topping up your inverter battery with distilled water. Preparation. Before you begin, it's important to ensure safety and have the right tools. Turn off the inverter and disconnect it from the power supply to avoid electrical hazards. Wear safety gear, such as gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from the electrolyte. Gather the necessary tools. A funnel for controlled pouring. A clean jug of distilled water. A clean cloth to wipe any spills. Steps. Open the vent caps of your inverter battery carefully. Inspect the water level using the minimum and maximum markers on the battery. Use the funnel to slowly pour distilled water into each cell. Add water until the level reaches the recommended mark, but avoid overfilling. Wipe off any spills immediately to prevent corrosion or damage. Replace the vent caps securely and clean the battery's exterior. Aftercare. Once you've topped up the battery, allow it to settle for a few minutes. Reconnect the battery to the inverter and turn it on. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on step-by-step guide to topping up your inverter battery with distilled water, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.